Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how you can make screen recordings with sound on your iPhone. For this, just go to your settings, then you scroll down and then you go to the control center. Here you can see your included controls. I already have included the screen recording control, but if you haven't, then you might find it under more controls. Then I will do it with the example of the wallet. Just press plus and then here you have it under included controls. Okay, but how do you start your screen recording now? For this, just scroll down and here, because I'm already recording, it blinks red. But if you want to start recording, just hold this button until this shows up. And here you can press the button. My button says stop recording. Your button will say start recording. And here below you see the microphone button. You can just type it. And it's turning off and on how you want it. Then just press start recording. Then it will take 3 seconds. And then it will start your recording. And that's it. Okay, that was a little hack on how to record your screen with sound on iPhone. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. And if you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.